Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I wanna make tutorial again, and tutorial is about Adobe Premiere again because my teacher asked me to make Adobe Premiere again, and I wish I make a Adobe Photoshop, not Premiere, because I don't like Adobe Premiere. Okay, and now we are share screen, but if we are with share screen, I wanna first the application in Safari and Arduino because it's just annoying. And oh, my back, my okay, now we are open the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, and the Adobe or which can go them for more detail and like all this go to our Premiere Pro screen. Okay, it's just loading again. Hey, wait a minute. I'm share screen. Okay, wait. Hmm. Premiere. I have a tool desktop and okay, we are share screen again. Uh, hmm, udah share kayak gini aja ya. Hmm, annoying, but it's so annoying. I don't like it. Okay, Adobe Premiere. Okay, now new project or cancel. I is maybe some I don't know what the English, but maybe is yeah, I don't know what name. Opening project one, tutorial project one. Um, okay. Uh, why so long? I hate waiting. I hate waiting. Why you are so long? And now it's done. Okay, test. Okay, nah, now we are. Oh, I forget something because we need a what name? What? Uh, nah, okay, video first because we have no video, right? No, leave but video to artist. Okay, not this again. Um, and wait a minute. I'll search the video again. And wait a minute. Okay, now we are search again. Okay, maybe this video is good. And let's we are download the video. Oh, I forget. I'm still share screen, right? I'm not share screen, right? Okay, I open my video again because in there I have annoying people. untuk share screen, share Google Chrome, and I wanna see it. Okay, I wanna mute. Uh, test, 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 test. Nah, I wanna mute for a second. Now we are loading about what name video. Okay. Uh, okay. Awaiting the video. I want a timer and maybe uh 12 minutes. 11, 12, 13 is 12 minutes. Minutes. Um, in 12 minutes to there we are gonna make video, good video. Uh, Wait a minute, I wanna search something, okay? Okay, let's, what name? Oh, okay. And now we are, oh, I'm sorry, my share screen is just one, right? Okay, now everything, and we are group media in here. It's a 4K video group in here. We get it. We get a drop in here, and yesterday I teach you, right? Uh, nah, I don't know why my speaker like that. And okay, next. And if it didn't like this, we can drop in here and see the video. And test, test. Okay, is if you like or is annoying sound like yesterday, you can what name uh unlink and that, and you can what name what the, what name, oh delete the um, sound. And if you want go back the sound, you just press control Z, or in the Windows, or yeah, or and the MacBook you just press command Z. And wait, what is make keyboard have a hair? Okay, okay. Now, maybe I hate mid routing lettering control, and now we just like um name, oh I cut video. I forget something. Wait a minute. Uh, okay, I do it first. Comment. Okay, and press comment C and comment V in the video like this. Uh, and you have a unlinked video, right? And you press comment C and comment V like this. And this have a two video. And now, if you want on what name, yeah, like uh, ex- example is a video video the second part one. No, not this. Like why money heist scenario. Yeah, I like that novel. Okay, I don't know. But what is money heist? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Example. If this rename. The rename is video part one. Okay. And we are just rename to video part two. Uh, we have a done in video part one and video part two. The example in video part two have a opening like you know what opening like welcome back blah 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 blah, blah like that, and you can cut like you press this red dot tool in here. Wait. Okay, you just click in here and in here, and you move to here the video and go in here. uh, you press a shift in here and shift in here and a group in here. If you wanna do it something like if you wanna what name like this, it's very always together. Okay, video part one, video part two like that. If you wanna show it in YouTube, and you know no more to video part one this and video part two this because you don't have a video, you can what name just like example in anime episode 1 to episode 12 in what anime you just if episode 1 done you mess quit and change to episode 2, but you can download every episode and you what name cut the ending and you join and your group the every anime in here and it's done because you are you are no more to what name quit and next episode quit and next episode like that because it's a little what name uh, annoying. Maybe by me it's I know annoying. And now we are what name edit the like a color. Why is not okay? Adjustment. It's okay. Maybe in effects. Maybe it's later. Result. Okay. Now our color is just maybe later. And now we are go to editing. In editing, we are after preset and thunder glaze maybe, and we are taking here. Maybe it's different. Let's see a different. Oh, I forget. Shit. Okay. Nah, if we community. Okay, ini video part one and part two. Okay, it's same. And we bloom. No. Yes, blue RGB color and have a and thunder glitch. And let's see like this. Nah, if you have a preset in here, you can change to like a thunder or blue, but it's a normal. Uh, but you can take a blue, and now the video you cannot see. Okay, it's my bad. Yeah. But let's aja yang kita kena okay for wipe. And then to annoying video. Okay, no. If you say I'm not a pro in Adobe Premiere, maybe I'm pro in Adobe Photoshop design, not the video. Like and if you wanna unmute the video, like well, nah, in here I have the video, right? You can mute like this too. Wait a minute. Why? I forget how to do that. And why put it like but after tweeting. And now we are search name of stereo image stereo extender. Let's we have uh, oh and maybe I forget. Sorry. Oh, okay, it have 5 minutes maybe or my but actually it's a annoying video and I'm sorry, just a really sorry. And now if you don't like the video you can dislike, and if you like the video you can like, and I don't sure you are like the video, but you can subscribe me and you can unsubscribe me every time. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, I forget the stop recording. My name is Muhammad Fadi. Back to you. Bye bye.